Alrighty guys, so I know it's a little weird because I haven't even shown our camper yet, but we got a new thing. And this is just gonna be like a really quick flip. Yeah. That's what we're working with. Some more spaces in the inside than you would believe, if I have to say so myself. As you can see, it's super dirty. Super dirty. Just dusty though. Just dusty. Whew. You say you just camped in this last weekend, so we're gonna see if we can get it cleaned up and get it flipped up out of here. This lays down into a bed, which is a W. There's extra bed space up there if you wanted to put a little mattress inside of there. I think he just slept in there with his sleeping bag. I mean, you have your stove right there. There's a little storage space. Maybe some jewelry. Get ready for the day. Your furnace down there. So, you know, get a little warm up in here. No AC. It holds fresh water on that side. And propane right over here. But you can actually reach propane from the outside. Let's go look at that. Right here. Turn of a latch. Propane access. That'll be sink drainage, since that's the only water you really have in here. And this would be your fresh water fill up. Put a hose, run into some water, and you're set. You're camping. You're camping, buddy. Got her for $0 whole dollars. Oh, zero. So we're gonna see what we can do. Right now it's pretty much just me doing it. Caitlin's asleep, so kind of just trying to get some cleaning done because we want this thing sold tomorrow, ideally. I can stand up in it. I can actually extend my elbow completely. So that's pretty cool. That's it. I showed you guys pretty much everything. Let's go over a couple of the little extra things. Like, ooh, first aid. So he said any of this stuff we can keep, obviously. So quality. Oh, some light bulbs, some new light bulbs. I'll probably go through this stuff and then keep anything that I don't want to be sold. A lot of this stuff will probably just go unless it's camping related. Like I already found a hatchet, which is really cool. I'll take a hatchet any day. It's a little light switch. Don't know what it does yet. Maybe the lights, maybe not. The little baby battery they have in here, I'm pretty sure it's already dead. It's tiny. Not a deep cycle at all. Let's zoom out a little so you can kind of see what's going on. Yeah, like I said, these are for the furnace, and so I'm guessing that's the pilot right there, and a light there. So yeah, this one not too accessible. That's a vent, but this one it make it accessible so you can at least see the pilot flame, see if it's lighting. I appreciate that. Bowls. Come here. Just some drawers. Oh, okay. Flip down. I like that one. I like that. Oh, and these are also weird because you have to open them, but some of them you have to click the latch closed. I kind of like that extra security. I already showed you guys the stove. You fold this bad boy like that. Stove. I haven't tried the propane yet, but I'm pretty sure that he said he just used it last weekend, so pretty sure that works. Lift the little lid up out. Secure that in there. This table will also lay on these as like a long bed. So pretty much these cushions will slide down. Those cushions will slide down while this is down. You have a full bed. And also back here, some extra bed space. Came with a portable toilet just in case. But you got space. I think he had like a sleeping bag and a comforter in here. Some bed sheets. So yeah, pretty much everything you need to be alive. Which, you know me, I don't complain much about that. Get this bad boy cleaned out at the very least. Hopefully get some really good pictures and sell it. So yeah, y'all see it now? Oh, look at you, cuties. See it now? We'll come back and another run through and see how it looks. Yeah, just a little dusty mess. We'll come back. We'll show you a little bit of the cleaning. Probably do like a little nice little time lapse, and then we'll show you what the finished product look like. Little break. I'm getting the shade. We took a little break and we kind of ate some breakfast. Made a hot cup of tea, you know, in that tea wave. I kind of got started cleaning up. Well, barely, but I just forgot to start recording, so I was just trying to show you guys this difference, the stark contrast. So I've cleaned this square. So look at that one compared to the other ones. I mean, if you don't see that, bro, you gotta be like a Ray Charles level of blind, because that's gonna make a world of difference alone. And then we'll get all the walls and yeah, you'll see. But yeah, that's just. Well, like a dumb dummy, I forgot to do it before and after, but y'all kind of saw me do it in action, so. Yeah. Kind of the finished product of the floor. I'm just gonna kind of give it a nice little scrubbing down. Update y'all on what it looks like. All right, we obviously haven't finished yet, but I have to go to a little interview thingy thing, and so we got to drop it and just head on over there. So we'll kind of show y'all that process. It's pretty much just, I gotta make sure not to show the trailer. It's pretty much just these poles holding it up. So pull these poles in, top comes down. It's pretty simple, you know, geometry, I guess, physics, something like that. But yeah. Gonna pull these things in, top comes down, outside latches, you lock those, and then you're ready to go. Gonna come down. Why you up there, babe?
Because I'm trying to help support. It's fine. I'm agile. Oh, I gotta pick this up.
Yeah, you gotta drop the other side. I'll lift it if you move pull one side.
Ready?
Wait. Yeah. There you go. Down.
Come on, get in the way.
My phone. Success! But that shit look chaotic. Yeah, so I'm gonna check the outside. I hope the canvas is all tucked in. Show the back. The back and that side did pretty good. Probably need better bungees because this side ain't fully get tucked in, as you can see. And neither did the front. Oh. So, it's a little while later. Talk went really well with the guy. If all things go gravy, tomorrow we'll be selling this bad boy. We'll be selling her tomorrow for $750. So we got her for $0 and we selling her for $750. So straight profit. Keep y'all updated. Been ripping and running, so I'm starving. And so we got some Wingstop. Gonna munch that up. And then probably go get some stabilizing jacks for our actual trailer. Like I said, need a few more things before we want to make a video about that, but hope y'all excited. Until then, Laz looks at her. Laz looks-see. She look good on him. Oh my God. It's day. That's the sun. That is the sun.